have a tutorial about printing t-shirt using vinyl. I'm gonna teach you how to print or how to make patterns on the computer, and then using a cutter we will cut the vinyl, and then afterwards we will use a heat press machine, using this vinyl on t-shirts. So don't leave me alone. Watch me doing this printing t-shirt. See you.
So after designing or creating your design on the computer, you need to use your cutter. So there is an app in the computer connected to your cutter. Okay, so let's start now cutting our design using the Silhouette Cameo cutter. So this time we are using a vinyl to cut the letters or the phrase that we are going to use on the t-shirt. So I am now using a green vinyl. Then we need to send our design to the silhouette. So now this time the silhouette is already.
So we'll be having this. Then we will also read this.
You see, we already cut this. We are through cutting this, and there are things here. There are cuts here. And then we will get the unwanted parts. Prepare this for the heat pressing process.
So this is now what we call weeding. Weeding the vinyl, getting the unwanted parts. And what will be left will be our phrase or the words, the letters that we use to print a t-shirt. So in weeding, we need to be careful because some of the letters sometimes, or most of the time, some of the letters will go along with the pulling of the unwanted parts of the vinyl. So we need to be very, very careful, you see. That is how we weed. We need to use a pointed material, needle, to get the mga unwanted parts of the vinyl. And that is what we call weeding. So if some letters are detached from the vinyl, we can use a glue to put it back, to glue it back on the where it is on the vinyl. So using a glue, usually I'm using a glue to place it back on where it is placed. For example, teacher. This time I was having a problem with this detached letter. So the teacher, the letter T of the word teacher was detached. So I was using a glue to place it back there. Okay, so we're almost there. It really needs patience. Wow, so there you are. So it is the vinyl where, okay, now. So that is how, but still we need to get off those parts, those kind of parts in the middle of the letters. We need to get it off. So this is now the heat pressing process. Let us let the heat press machine reach the desired temperature of 160 to 180 degrees centigrade before we're gonna put the t-shirt and heat press it. So we're gonna start heat pressing now, but before we start pressing, we still have to
Mamma mia, mamma mia.
to press the cloth first for a while, maybe 1 to 5 seconds,
That's how I do it.
so that the moisture will be dry first, and we can assure the very good result,
Sorry, my
so that the vinyl will stick to the cloth.
Naibasa ang mami. Sorry.
Now let's start positioning the letters, the phrase or the design on the t-shirt. Then cover it with a piece of, what kind of paper is this? To prevent the vinyl to stick to the inside of the heat press machine. Then now it's time. So the heat press is set to 22 seconds. So after 22 seconds, the heat press machine will make a sound. Okay. So as you lift the handle, it will get the sound will go off. So this is another t-shirt, and I will print this with a Deep Ed logo. The same process, we have to make the moisture dry first. We make the plastic line by pressing for 5 seconds. Then position the design, the logo at this time, on the left side of the t-shirt, upper left side. Then press it again, and this time let us press this for 22 seconds also, and then it's over. So here we go, the sound is already so the headpiece is making sound. So it's done now, and this is the result. But we still have to let this cool before we peel it off. So after we cool it down, we have to peel the plastic and the cellophane on top of the vinyl. So what I'm doing right now is I press it again, because this design was done 2 months ago. It was old, and it was parang hindi na siya dumikit dun sa t-shirt, kaya ginawa ko repress ko para dumikit siya. Ayun. Now I was mistaken, it is not 2 months ago, but it is almost a year naggawa ko. Nung Disyembre pa yun, no? Family is Forever. Dati pa yun ginawa ko. Tapos, tinabi ko lang. Parang hindi na siya didikit sa t-shirt. Kaya yun. Ito, finished product. Thank you for watching.